I'd like to encourage you to join us this Sunday as we look at James chapter 2, which has two very clear and powerful teachings. The first teaching is about partiality, and the second part of the chapter is about the relationship between faith and works. The first question we have to ask ourselves is, do we show partiality? Partiality, or prosopolepsia, occurs 5 times in the verses of the New Testament, and the 3 verses that are shown on this slide tell us that God shows no partiality to either rich or poor, and the references in this chapter tell us that we too, if we are to follow Jesus Christ, cannot have partiality. In Luke 23 verse 11, we're told that the soldiers and Herod mocked Jesus by dressing him in wealthy clothing. And James chapter 2 has the same warning about clothing. Do we mock our Saviour by dressing his church in wealthy clothing and yet not following him with our hearts? Finally, we have the challenge of faith and works. If our actions aren't the same as what we believe, then rather than trying harder, we need to have a close look at what we really believe. The purpose of the words in this chapter are not to condemn us. It is to empower us so that there is no difference between our faith and our works.